Good morning, friends. Hope you are all fine at your home. And my topic is continuing and on the topic of equality. So, how and I gave you some introduction also. No, unjust and entrenched inequalities. What do you mean by entrenched? Difficult to change. That is ENTRENCHED. Entrenched. Entrenched means which is difficult to change. Unjust and entrenched inequalities which prevent individuals from developing their capabilities. In our society, lot of changes has to be there, but some entrenched inequality जो सदियों entrenched means we cannot change those one, right? After the independence, after our independence also, untouchability was there still, and we used to differentiate between high caste and low caste and all, right? So basically it is changed, but it's very hard to change. So that is what it does. It prevents individuals from developing their capabilities, right? So how can we promote equality? What is the question? How can we promote equality? We have already noted some of the basic differences among the socialists and liberals on the most desirable way of achieving the goal of equality. They differ, socialists, these socialists and other liberals. While the relative merits and limitations of each of these points of view are being debated, there are still debates on debate continue. How can we promote equality? But we should think that what principles and policies might be considered necessary for pursuing equality. Which type of principles, which type of policies we should adopt so that inequality should not be in a society, equality should be in a society. Especially, we need to consider if the use of affirmative action is justified for purpose of bringing about equality. Straightforward action, is it necessary to bring the equality? This issue has raised a lot of controversy in recent years, and we will discuss this issue in the following terms. Now, establishing formal equality. How to establish formal equality? The first step towards bringing about equality is, of course, ending the formal system of inequality. फॉर्मल इक्वालिटी को स्थापित करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू abolish formal inequality and privileged society, privileged class. French Revolution, privileged society, class number 1, class number 2 and class number 3. So these were the French, so there was a revolution in France, we call it French Revolution. Liberty, equality and fraternity, you remember? So social, economic and political inequalities all over the world have been protected by customs and legal system. Inequalities को customs ने, our customs and legal systems have protected it. हम कई बार तो हमारे कानून जो हैं they are protecting the inequality that prohibits some section of society from enjoying certain kinds of opportunities. Our society was earlier divided in Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, and still it is divided, right? So that is entrenched inequality. What I think, it is hard to change, right? Some section of society from enjoying certain kinds of opportunities and rewards. Poor people were not granted the right to vote in large number of countries. Even women also. In France also, women were not allowed for their basic rights, fundamental rights. Women were not allowed to go for vote. Women were not allowed to fight for their rights. So many countries, right to vote in large number of countries, they were not allowed Women were not allowed to take up many professionals and other activities. I told you just now. The caste system in India prevented people from the lower caste from doing anything except manual labor. Right. Lower caste people, they are opt for the manual labor. They cannot go for high degrees. They cannot go for higher studies. They were not allowed to go earlier before the independence. In many countries, only people from some families could occupy high position, like Sri Lanka. Why there was clashes, internal clashes, civil war between Sri Lankans and Tamilians? Because the one class, Sri Lankan people, they were allowed for higher position, not Indian people. Right? Sinhali was their language problem was there. Sinhali, they accepted Sinhalese as a common language for the whole society of Sri Lanka. In Bangladesh, why Bangladesh was created? Bangladesh was created during it was in East Pakistan. It was created due to only language problem. So, attainment of equality requires that all such restrictions or privileges should be brought to an end. All type of privileges should be to come to end. Since many of these systems have the sanction of law, equality requires that government and the law of the land should stop protecting these systems of inequality. Our government, our land of law, should stop all type of inequality, which are all equal in our society. Next video, it will continue. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you.